Okay, so here are the 3 wires coming out of the headlamp. We're a part of a loom that it's attached to the diode board. And I disconnected everything else but these 3. So we have a thick red one, which goes to the ignition switch. And then we have this brown and white one, which I'm not entirely sure where that one goes. I'll show you in a second where it's in the lamp. And then we have this white and black one, which goes to the charging light, I believe. So these 3 go up here through this Velcro housing. Kind of hard to see. I'll get to it in a second. So you can kind of see it go in there. Goes up into the harness and out through here. So this is the red thick one that goes directly into, like I said, the ignition switch. The brown and white one comes here, attaches to this green piece, goes back out, I believe goes up somewhere in there, and then the black and white one right here goes up, connects to this black wire, and then connects to the charging light, which I think is this guy. Yeah, it's connected up there. Kind of hard to see. So yeah, I'm slightly confused about where to put the blue cable if it needs to attach to the ignition switch. Sounds like you guys are saying it needs to connect to the charging light though, this black and white one. But then I guess my other question would be, where does this ignition switch go? One diagram online, Tim O'Connell said something about putting it, or attaching it to the coil. I don't really know. So any advice would be super great. Thanks.